On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What is going on with the cat food? Is there a shortage or something? It's ridiculous. All they have is treats. What's up, Minitruck? You miss me? It's like 46 today. Summertime up here. Let's take a ride, Minnie. Look, we're still in four-wheel drive. Trying to tell me something? We'll go for a little ride. Somebody drove down in the mud. Might be getting a snowstorm here in a couple days. Big one. Get to play in some deep snow, Minnie. I normally don't like driving around after the snow, but I think all the salt's probably pounded off the road by now, hopefully. I might have to give you a bath. At least the roads are dry. Running good. Feel that power. Climb that hill like nothing. I forgot how much more power you had. I remember shifting down to third, barely making 35 up that hill. Heat still works good. The guy was pointing at us. Cruising around with Minnie. Christmas vacation display is still up. Went to Aldi's the other day and forgot to pick up breakfast sausage, so looks like a good excuse to do that now. You have the right of way there, Bucky. Aldi's. Be right back, Minnie.
A few moments later.
You know, you go to Aldi to get one thing, and that happens. So now we'll go to Petco. See if Petco has any cat food. Because last night, Walmart was totally out. And it was like that before we left for Florida. And I don't know why, but Homosassa and Inverness Walmart was out of cat food too. Wet cat food, that is. So we'll see if Petco's got any. Well, sometimes that don't start. There. Suppose I could put my CV back up there. Someone beeping at you, Minnie? They think they're a Mini. You're the Mini.
A few moments later.
Holy shit, this is awesome. This is like a off-the-road vehicle though, right?
Yeah, on-off. It's a Japanese import.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. I never saw anything like this before. This is the first time I've ever seen something.
Oh, really?
That's awesome. Wow.
Thanks.
Actually, my cousin's husband, he has something similar, but he has 96 acres of his own, upstate New York. He's got wolves. I think you can, if it's your own property, I think you can kill the wolves.
Well, I think you can kill them anytime. They're predators, yeah.
Wolves, yeah.
I have 18 acres and my dad hunts. We get the coyotes coming down and...
I think it's coyotes.
Yeah.
Take a guess. I just had a birthday. It's okay. I won't be offended.
How old are you?
I won't be offended.
62.
Okay, I'll accept that. I'm actually 60.
Are you?
And it's so funny because I say this to women and people think of their own age. Like a lady, she was walking out of Petco and she's like 80 years old. And I asked her the same question and she's like, how old do you think I am? Oh, 80. No,
Yeah.
I'm not 80. Dumb.
I was going to say 60, but then every time like I guess someone's age, I'm always too low.
No.
Because then they're like, oh, I'm 70.
Somebody told me I look 25. That was pushing. But a lot of ladies don't understand. This is a rule as a man. You lie to a woman.
Oh, I know.
Fat? No, you don't.
Yeah, I know. I don't, though.
No, but you should.
You should, but...
No, but you have to.
How old do you think I am?
Well, let me see. It's hard to tell. I'm going to say 45. So you're 10 years younger. That's
Yeah. But you might have been nice to me.
Yes, I was.
Take it easy. So Petco did have some cat food, but not what I normally buy. They had quite a bit. Not a full shelf. Mini's so much better with the supercharger. I can't even express how much better. Somebody lost some garbage. Oh, that's gotta suck to be a truck driver and have to back in across traffic, boy. Oh, good job. Took 2 tries, but he made it. Good job. Drop off some mail. Thanks again, guys. More key tags going out. Got a few going out, boys. You guys have a cat food shortage? I posted on Instagram when I was at Walmart last night. A bunch of you said there is a shortage, and some of you said there isn't where they are. Weird how it's certain cells that are out of cat food. You gotta figure out how to make cat food if there isn't gonna be any. I saw that there's different ways to do it online, but I came up with take chicken broth, pour it into dry cat food, mix it up and let it soak in a little bit. I think the cat would like that. My cat kind of licks all the juice off first.
That's what she said.
So what's your ideas for homemade cat food? I saw stuff like making rice and mixing in chicken and all that stuff. That just seems like a lot of work. Might have to build one of them new pressure washers and have an excuse to do your undercarriage here, Mini. Running awesome. Cheese-tastic.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.